The Tobago House of Assembly has officially been dissolved. The Assembly will be adjourned until the Tobago House of Assembly elections, which are carded to take place between December 25th and January 25th. Details in this report.
The announcement was made at the sitting of the Tobago House of Assembly at the Assembly Chamber. Chief Secretary Orville London proposed a resolution under Section 22(1) of the Tobago House of Assembly Act to dissolve the House. According to Section 22(2), the President, after consultation with the Prime Minister and the Chief Secretary, shall fix the date of a primary election, which date shall not be earlier than the expiration of 2 months after the dissolution of the Assembly, and no later than the expiration of 3 months after that dissolution.
We have to recognize that we got to keep it decent, and I'm hoping that the trends which I've seen in recent time, that those trends don't continue during the election campaign. We have a number of very critical issues critical to the development of Tobago, and I hope that we as Tobagonians, both those who are aspiring to be representatives and those whom we represent, will be able to identify the issues which are important to Tobago's development and the welfare of Tobagonians. And those are the issues that I think should decide this election.
When asked how he believes the PNM will fare in the upcoming THA election, Mr. London responded that he believes that they stand a good chance of remaining in office for another term.
I believe, based on all the reports, that our chances are extremely good, and I think that we are going to be working very hard. We won't be relaxed, we're going to be working very hard. I think this is a campaign where you got to talk to the people in language that they can understand about issues that are important to them, and we intend to do just that.
The Minority Leader Ashworth Jack also stated that he had high hopes for his party in the upcoming election, but believes that ultimately the decision falls on the citizens to make such a decision.
The population will decide that. As the leader of the TOP, I will only have one answer for that, that we fancy our chances very, very well. Right? But of course, at the end of it, that's a matter for the population to answer.
The Tobago Organization of the People, as well as the Prime Minister, have been calling for the Chief Secretary to call the elections as they were ready. Patrice Samuel, Channel 5 News.